sunlight. A generous gift to all life on our planet, showered by the immortal of the skies. An infinite energy provider, every day this mighty, orange orb, descends infinite amount of energy onto our planet, and harnessing this power for human needs, is the immediate need of the hour. Today, as we speak of eco-friendly, renewable energy, and pollution-free environment, 24 years ago some innovative minds had thought of a solution, and had put their thought into action. Established in 1998, Orange Solar, also known as Sunzone Solar, is the pioneer organization in manufacturing and promoting solar-powered products in India.
We started this company in the year 1998 to harness the renewable energy products for the usage of domestic and industrial purpose, which in turn will reduce the carbon footprints on environment. Initially, we started this company with a manpower of 5 to 6 members. Now we have more than 100 employees in our company. I am happy to say that they are also a part of global cause. We mainly produce solar water heater in evacuated tube collectors and flat plate type of collector systems. And also, we produce solar street lights, solar on-grid systems and solar off-grid systems also.
We have approved from Government of India, government agencies like Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, and also state nodal agencies. We are also an ISI and ISO certified company.
We have very good automated production line to produce solar water heater of all types, including stainless steel non-welding technology, copper tanks, glass line systems and galvanized systems also.
We have served more than 2.5 lakhs happy customers by installing more than 3 lakhs systems all over India. Some of our prestigious customers are Indian Railways, BEL, HAL, Rourkela Steel Plant, RBI, MES, Imurja, KSRTC, ISAC, NPTI and many more. We are also serving numerous private organizations like Blue Star, Samudra Shikaram, Amazon, Apollo and many more.
We have a plan for further expansion. We have started the construction of new plant. It will be inaugurated by next year.
We have a strong presence in all South Indian states and a few North Indian and Northeast states as well. So we have a plans of exporting to South Asian countries and African countries. So it may happen in very near future.
We have an accurate plan and strong convictions to serve more than 5 lakh customers by the year 2025.
Full manufacturing process of Orange Solar water heaters. Orange Solar also offers diamond glass line solar water heater, which has the most advanced technology in solar water heater manufacturing. This coating suits any type of hard water worldwide and keeps it free from rust and corrosion. It is also a good insulator of heat, hence the water remains hotter for a longer duration. This German material makes the product run maintenance-free for more than 20 years. Its features are such: once installed, you get trouble-free shower for lifetime. Orange Solar holds a huge stock of diamond glass line solar water heaters. In all the different products manufactured, with various capacities, the inner drum is made of SS304, food-grade stainless steel. The drum is capable of easily overcoming challenges such as damages caused by hard water, tinkering etc., and provide long life to the product due to non-welding technology. A thick layer of polyurethane foam is created around the drum, to maintain the hot water temperature for more than 24 hours even in low temperatures such as 2 degrees Celsius. Another key component that makes Orange Solar water heaters exceptionally efficient, and also puts the product's functionality into action, are the 3-layer coated glass tubes. Each of this glass tube contains an inner layer, made of nickel, aluminum, and copper, each metal placed on a different layer, nickel exposed to the exterior, followed by aluminum in the mid-layer, and copper as the inner and third layer. These glass tubes function as heat absorbers. When sunlight falls onto them, they absorb and make use of more than 98% of the solar energy emitted onto them by the sun, and transform it into heat energy. The heat is transferred into the inner layer of the tube, which in turn passes the heat onto the water flown into these tubes. The heated water is pushed upwards, and into the drum because of its decreased density, and the cooler water is pushed down into the tubes. Thus all the water is heated cyclically and stored in the drum. The tank's inner section is cleaned using a vacuum cleaner. Stickering is done to the tanks. The tanks are box-packed. Huge stock of all models will be maintained in godowns and will be supplied on priority basis. Trained professionals from Orange Solar visit the customer place, and provide free installation, in addition to a 5-year and 10-year warranty depending upon the selected model.
Once you install the Orange Solar water heater, there is no running cost, there is no expenditure, there is no maintenance. It is absolutely free. It is one of the best products available in present market.
Can proudly announce it is one of the best products available in today's market and in its category. It is available in so many different sizes to meeting our customer needs and budgets too.
I am Vincent from Omega Electricals and Power Solutions. I am distributor for Sunzor Solar Systems from last 5 years. I have sold more than 5,000 systems for different customers from last 5 years. The product was very excellent. We have very good feedback from all our customers. The company is having a fully automated production plant. I am proud to be associated with Sunzor Solar System India Private Limited.
My name is Prem Kulaso. I have a firm known as Western Ghats Pharmaceuticals. I am manufacturing products like Ayurvedic medicines. I have been using Orange Solar water heater from last 5 years. Some people might ask why I should use Orange Solar water heater. By using 200 liters of Orange Solar water heater, it is as equivalent as 1500 liters of diesel consumption per year. As an Ayurvedic manufacturer, I would recommend everybody to use Orange Solar water heater because it is economical, eco-friendly and saves energy.
We make customer dreams into products by producing world-class solar water heaters. Our customers are the ones who inspire us constantly upgrade our products with increasing quality and efficiency. People who can think contributing towards green energy, people who can think of reducing carbon footprints on environment, people who can think of savings and electricity charges every month. I request every customer be a part of this global cause. Use Orange solar water heater.
Vision and innovation powered by new generation's needs for sustainable green energy. Orange Solar is powering infinity for a better tomorrow. Orange Solar water heaters, powering infinity, a Sun's own product.